With the label on the outside, introduce the sling behind the patient. Position the patient's arms on the outside of the sling. Close the waist support around the patient's waist. Secure with the clunk-click buckle and tighten using the webbing strap. Attach the clips securely to the stand aid hoist. Check that the tapes are not twisted, the clips are fully engaged and firmly clicked onto the hoist studs prior to the start of the transfer. For more information, please visit our website www.silvalea.com.